everyone, thanks for dropping by and seeing my Natalie Attired unboxing today. So Natalie Attired is a fashion subscription box that you pay a $20 styling fee for, and they curate your box according to your profile, and then they send you 5 items. So here's my box. This is my first Natalie Attired unboxing. I've never used the service before. I do see a lot of videos out there and it looks like it is a great subscription box. So inside your subscription box, you're going to have a mailer in which to send all of the items that you do not want or do not like back or don't fit. So you are given the 5 items. They come to your door. You have 3 days in which to decide what you want and what you want to send back. So today we are going to open mine. I'm excited. So let me go ahead and get out my bundle. Okay, so this is my bundle. Y'all can see the colors in the box. I think there's 2 pairs of pants and maybe 3 shirts in there. So I will do a try on after I open up my items, and then I will be able to give you the price of the item and the name and brand of each item. Just to give you guys a heads up, I am legally blind, so I'm unable to read the regular invoices that are sent out to me. So I go online. You can go on to the natalieattired.com website. You can pull up your orders and they'll list everything in there, and that's where you're gonna check out in the end. So that is where I will do the try on, and then I'll give you all the prices and the brands that they are. So pretty cute. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna give you the names when I try them on, and then I'll let you know how much they cost. So this is my first item. It is a knit, very stretchy. Looks like it is 3/4 sleeve. It might be, let me kind of look at my light, like a black and ivory colored. It does have, let's see, a curved hem down the bottom, and it is a low-high or high-low shirt. So that's pretty cute. So we will try that one on. The next item is a sweater. It is actually a cardigan, and it is a pink color. And it does have like a rolled cuff at the very edge, and it's 3/4 instead of the normal long cardigan in the sleeves. So it doesn't look like there's any pockets to this. This is kind of like, I'm not sure if you can see this. Let's see. This is more like a waffle knit. Very stretchy, but it's not like just a regular cardigan. It is waffle knit. It's pretty. It's like a light pink or a blush color. Next item looks like a baseball Henley top. It's striped and it's blue, like a denim blue. It has the full, nope, it looks like 3/4 sleeved, and it's striped blue and white. There is the bottom, the hem. Let me see. It looks like it's not a high-low, it's a curved hem at the bottom, but it is all one length. So that's my third item. So fourth item, okay, so I have 2 pair of pants. I have a hard time buying pants. I've had a lot of surgeries over the last 5 years, and I've had a lot of scarring and a lot of pain. So I suffer from chronic pain. And so wearing pants that are tight or wearing pants that don't fit correctly actually aggravate the nerves in my body. And so I am very picky, and I do have a hard time finding things that fit, that have enough stretch that I can wear. So I did ask for some pants. I need some for work. I wear like khakis or black type pants with like a polo work shirt where I work at. So I don't get to wear all the cute little clothes, but I do get to wear pants if I can find some that fit good. So this right here looks pretty stretchy when I picked it up. It does stretch really well there. It looks like it's, I don't know if this would be considered jeans maybe, kind of like a lightweight skinny jean. It does have a button and zipper in the front. It has the 2 pockets and the coin pocket, and it has the pockets in the back. It looks like it's a mid-rise or maybe even a low-rise. We'll see. I've never bought any high-rise jeans yet, so I tried a pair on and I actually really like them. So I'm gonna try and look for some of those. But here is my second pair of pants. It's more like a work trouser. Let's see what kind of stretch these have in them. They don't feel like they have much stretch. So I'm not sure. It looks like these are a pull-on instead of the button fly. And it looks like they're kind of maybe a straight leg, and they do have like the little cut in the bottom to put around boots or whichever shoes you're wearing. Okay, so that is my 5th item, and we'll go ahead and try all of those on, and then we'll talk about the brands and the price. Okay, this is the first item. This is the 3/4 sleeve cardigan. It is a waffle knit cardigan. It's 3/4 sleeves. It is made by Ginger, is the company that it's made by. It does not have any slits in the side. It is just rounded around the bottom. It's very light. It's very comfortable. And it's kind of reminds me like a blush pink color. So here it is. Kind of give you a little bit of a close-up. I'd say it's about like mid-thigh length. Okay, so I'm gonna get the next one. Okay, here's my second item. So the second item is the black and ivory striped 3/4 length sleeve shirt. It's made also by Ginger. That's the manufacturer brand, I guess. So this one, I'm gonna come up a little close so you can see. It is more like an ivory and a black stripe. It is very stretchy. And the sleeves come, they're supposed to be 3/4, but they come down to about where my watch is. So they're a little bit longer than 3/4 on me. The neck is more like a boat neck top instead of a rounded or scoop neck top. It is longer in the back. I'm gonna show you here. I have a front tuck or like a half tuck in the front. So I did a half tuck into the jeans on the front, and then it kind of hangs down low in the back. So it's very comfortable. It is $38, and I'm not sure if I got the wrong price on the cardigan earlier. That was actually $39. This is $38. So kind of let you see. Okay, let me grab another one. Okay, so item number 3. These are the Just Black skinny jeans. They are very comfortable. They are too tight for me. This is my normal size, but like I said, I need a lot of stretch in my clothing for it to be comfortable. So it is kind of uncomfortable for me, but for people that don't have my issues, I mean, they're probably perfect. Let me show you that. I'll lift up a little. So it has the double pocket in the back. It has the skinny leg, and it also has 2 front pockets with a coin pocket. And I think these are $78, but I will double check and be sure when I try on the next item. Okay, item number 4. This is the baseball jersey. It's like a denim color, and the sleeves are like a white and the denim. It has the little V in the front with the stripes on it. It has a curved hem, so it is pretty long. You could wear this over leggings. See how long the back is? It's not a high-low, but it does fall in the front pretty low and then fall in the back pretty low. And on the sides, it kind of comes up a little bit. So let me try, I'll just do a quick front tuck. And that's what it'll look like if you just kind of tuck it in the front. And I just have it on with the Just Black jeans that I had on earlier. So far, this is my favorite. This one is 36. Kind of give you a close-up of the striping in the neck and the arms. So this one is 3/4 sleeve. The ivory and black one I showed earlier is actually long sleeve. So that's why I was down to where my watch is, my wrist. So I did get, this one was 3/4 sleeve, and there was another one that was 3/4 sleeves. I'm trying to think of which one it was. But this one is 36, and I do really like this. One more item. I'm gonna go try on these pants and see if I can get into them, and if I can't, I will be back with a review. Okay, I'm back. So the last pair of pants I could not put on, too painful. So they will be going back. They were an ankle skinny that had kind of a button and a zipper on the top left-hand side. They were pretty stretchy, but they still just too hard for me. So my 5 items, the stylist picks were $246 with the 30% discount, which is what you get if you get all 5 pieces. It came to around $150 to $80. I think that's what it was going to be. And then if you buy 3 to 4 items, they also give you a 20% discount. So I'm still wearing the blue shirt. This is the one that I like out of the box. This one was $36. And so whenever you buy something, even if I just buy one thing, so my $20 that I put in towards my, what do you call it? My styling fee would be taken off my 36. So I would only be paying 16 more for this shirt. So I decided to only go with this one. I really like this one. This one right here was the ginger, and it is the pink waffle knit 3/4 sleeve cardigan, and that one was $39. I like this one also. I'm not real big on the bigger necks. I kind of like my neck to be a little bit, I don't know, a little bit tighter. I don't like the boat neck. So this was the ivory and black striped shirt. This was also by Ginger. This one was $38. As I said, the one I'm wearing is $36. These are the Just Black jeans, and these were $79. And let me check real quick to see how much these pants were. So these were $54. They're really cute though. They're more like they feel kind of like a trouser material, not a cottony, maybe rayon. It does have a zipper and a button on the side, and it has probably a 2-inch waistband. And then there's no pockets. It's just kind of straight down, and they do have on the leg or the cuff at the bottom, it has it where it's kind of split there. They are ankle pants too. So I have decided that all those will be going back, and that just this one is the one that I want to keep. I think she did pretty good. My stylist's name is Lindsay. And just so you guys know, well, yeah, I don't have it, it's over there. They actually handwrite out you a message. So like on Stitch Fix, when you get your Stitch Fix up at the top, right, there's a message from your stylist. So in Natalie Attired, they actually write out a card for you. And so her name is Lindsay. So I think she did pretty good for my first box. There were things that I like in there. They just weren't completely my style or the colors that I would prefer. So this one though, I love it. So Lindsay, if you're watching, thank you very much. And I really appreciate it. And everybody else, I just want to say thank you for stopping by my channel. If you are a subscriber with me, I appreciate that you come and visit my channel. And if you are not a subscriber, please go down to the description area, click the subscribe button, and then the bell so that you'll be notified when I have any other content. Also, if you could like or dislike the video, that helps us get put into the realm of videos getting out there for people to see. So that really helps me out. So next time I should be having a BOXYCHARM and Amazon wardrobe coming up next. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.